which is nice. You can see how bright this sucker is already. Here's how dark it is. Get a little bit closer and woof, pretty straightforward. Just take this guy, you can slide them in. Hey guys, quick review here of the Axpi solar light. I'm replacing this little one right over here with this one. Manufacturer reached out to me, asked if I was interested in doing a review, and I definitely was. This is one of the bigger ones than this little guy I have behind me here. Excited to set it up, give it a go. I've had a lot of different solar lights. Like this style the most though, that's kind of big, kind of floodlight style. You can see good coverage, bends easily. From history, just these charge super quick, you get them going. And I mean, it feels like in no time you have this thing set up. This one has a little motion capture in front of it too, which is nice, a nice big one, adjustable down, up. So I'm gonna set this one up, really straightforward to put it together, get it going. Got the little attachments here, comes with some screws, nothing too complicated. And then the power button right on the back there, which is nice. You can see how bright this sucker is already. At nighttime, just gonna light up everything. Again, this is a dark walkway that I'm at, so excited to give it a go like that. But yeah, adjustable, easy to set up. We'll throw it up and then show you guys an example what it looks like at the nighttime. Pretty straightforward. Just take this guy, you can slide them in. Very easy, 2 screws and you're up and running. Come out here at nighttime and we'll let her rip. Here we are set up in just under a minute or so. Took the old one out, 2 screws, put it in there. Got it all set up. We're gonna let it charge for a little bit. Come out here. It's not dark enough right now to even trigger, but show you guys what it looks like once the light is going. Just needed a little drill, got this sucker up and excited to see how bright it is once it's real dark. So here's an example. I'll go to my first one. You'll see the kind of difference in the brightness. This is just a smaller solar light, but man, when this thing kicks on, it really throws out a lot of good light. It's really dark where I am here. This whole area gets lit up by it. Stays on well. Kind of small footprint. If you are looking for a solar light, this one just excels in filling up a lot of an area. I mean, even right here, I think there were some birds in the bushes there. That this thing's so bright, it's just like, yeah, it's just a really good solar light. Really glad the manufacturer reached out and sent it to me. Easy setup, super, super bright. I'll back up to give you guys kind of an idea. Here's how dark it is. Get a little bit closer and woof, instant light. So again, great option, great pickup if you're needing a really good solar light. Really happy with this one and thinks it does, and I think it does a great job.